necessary. Bring the engine up to operating temperature and then switch it off. Remove the front pressure sensor. Take the correct protective measures before using JLM cleaning products. Wear gloves and safety goggles throughout the entire cleaning process. Insert the spray pipe with special nozzle into the opening face of the particulate filter. For the best results, move the pipe back and forth. Spray the entire contents of the can into the diesel particulate filter. Fit the front pressure sensor. For best results, add JLM J02210 DPF cleaner to the fuel tank after spraying in the DPF spray and before regeneration. Regenerate the particulate filter using a diagnostic tester. Check the engine management system for errors